Hello, friends. I hope you and your family are safe and well. Stay safe, stay healthy because you should study this particular semester. That is semester 4. It is the last semester, but university has decided to conduct this particular exam of semester 4 online mode, and they already decided the time of paper pattern also, that is multiple choice questions. Now, before starting these particular lectures, I want to know about the how many students are doing their study regularly. Now, I know that the many students are disturbed because of the COVID-19 pandemic situation occurred. Many people suffering financial problems, some social problems, then various kinds of education problem also there. Some people they don't like to listen the online lectures also. So these are the all problems we are suffering, and under such situation we have to survive, and survival purpose we have to do the study. Now, our subject name is IFRS, and under IFRS we will study the basic background of the IFRS, which cover whole world, whether they covered India or not. That also we have to discuss. So let us discuss first about the IFRS and background. So friends, our subject International Financial Reporting Standard, that is IFRS. Today we are going to learn why IFRS is important, what is the definition of the IFRS, conversion, Ifrs and India, roadmap for Indus AS applicable, company Indus AS applications, then NBFC Indus AS application, bank Indus AS application, insurance Indus AS application, term leading refinance institution Indus AS application, Indus AS non-applicability, and list of the Indus AS IFRS versus AS. So friends, we are learning here regarding the accounting standards. Accounting standards which is applicable whole of India, and accounting standards provide certain norms, standards whenever we have to prepare our accounting books of records, whenever we have to prepare the financial statements, that time we have to apply accounting standards. So it is essential every company must follow accounting standards. Now basic question is, India has their own accounting standard, international accounting standard is different, and American accounting standard, we can say that it is a gap. American accounting standards, we can say that gap is generally accepted accounting practice. So this particular accounting standard is there in the country of America. We have a Indian accounting standards. Now what happened? Why we are accepting the foreign accounting standards? Whether if you accept any foreign accounting standard, it means we can maintain the foreign accounting standards, or whether it is suitable for the purpose of conducting the business in our country. Why we are not accepting foreign accounting standards? There are various questions in our mind. Now let us discuss the main part, why IFRS is important. Whenever we will talk about the IFRS, why IFRS is important, if you see the IFRS standard 2017, acceptance and non-acceptance. In Africa, total 16 countries were accepted IFRS. In Americas also total 27 countries accepted IFRS. In Asia around 23 countries accepted the IFRS. Europe 42 countries accepted the IFRS, and Middle East around 11 countries accepted the IFRS. So these are particular figures says that maximum around 150 countries accepted the IFRS. Around 83% countries in the world accepted IFRS. Hardly 7% countries not accepted IFRS accounting standards. Now, IFRS standards are globally recognized set of standards for preparation and presentation of financial statement by business entities. IFRS are issued by IASB, that is International Accounting Standard Board, has a staff of approximately 150 people from 30 countries. A set of international accounting standards stating how particular types of transactions or other events should be reported in the financial statement. Financial statement means our final account, and how we will type this particular transaction, how we will record the other statements in our final account, and for that purpose IFRS is accepted whole over the world. Now, for example, furniture and material. Whenever we will talk about any item about the furniture and material, so we have to think about the how to recognize them as assets, liability, income and expenses. How to measure those items, how to present them in a set of financial statement, and related disclosures about those items. It means whenever we will talk about any particular item in our financial statement, we should study their recognition, then measurement, presentation and disclosure in our IFRS. Now we will talk about the Ifrs and India. India has recently adopted new accounting standard known as Indus years. India has accepted or adopted new accounting standard is known as Indus years, that is Indian accounting standard. It is a version of the IFRS. There are substantially converged with the IFRS standards. Most of the Indian accounting standard Indus years are word to word IFRS standards. It means India has not accepted the IFRS, but they convert their accounting standards with Indus years, but it is a copy of IFRS. In India, there are two sets of accounting standards. Indian accounting standard converges with the IFRS. Then the government of India announced that commercial bank, insurance company and non-banking companies will be required to prepare their financial statement using Indus years from 1st April 2018. This is applicable on urban cooperative. This is applicable on not applicable on urban cooperative bank. It means IFRS is not applicable to urban cooperative bank. It is not applicable to the regional rural bank also. Accounting standards applicable to all companies like domestic, small company if they not adopt IFRS. Now friends, let us discuss about the Indus years roadmap. Indus years applicable in company, NBFC, some term leading refinancing institutions, insurance company, banking company and RRBs. Now in company they accepted in two phases. Phase 1 it's belong to 1st April 2014 and phase 2 they were start from 1st April 2015. Then NBFC non-banking financial companies also they were applicable this IFRS or Indus years in the two phases. Phase 1 start from 1st April 2018 and phase 2 1st April 2019. Then team leading refinancing institutions and insurance company it is mandatory with effect from 1st April 2018 and banking company also, but it is not applicable for regional rural banks. Indus years is applicable, adoptable in the company other than banking company, insurance company and NBFC company if these companies are listing company and their net worth of the company, on that basis it is applicable. Not applicable on listed or SME exchange. Company means holding, subsidiary, associate and joint venture. Now let us discuss about the phase 1 of the company. It is applicable from 1st April 2016. All companies whether listed or unlisted and their net worth is 500 crores or more. Such company can apply Indus years for financial year 2017-18. Meet above threshold limit from first time as on 31st March 2017. Let us discuss phase 2 of the company. It is applicable from 1st April 2017 for all listed or in process of listing company irrespective of their net worth. If the unlisted company the net worth is less than 250 and equal to or more than 250 but less than 500 crores, such unlisted company apply for Indus years from financial year 2018-19. Now, non-banking financial companies, for example, housing finance companies, merchant banking companies, microfinance companies, mutual benefit companies, venture capital fund companies, stock broker or sub broker companies, and nidhi companies. Other example also, that is securitizations and reconstructions companies, cheat companies, mortgage guarantee companies, pension fund companies, asset management companies, and core investment companies are the example of non-banking financial companies. Now such company they were mandatory to accept Indus AS from 1st April 2018 if their net worth is more than 500 crores. They can start their accounting period on or after 1st April 2018. They accept the Indus AS. Phrase 2. All NBFC company, all equity and debt securities listed or proceeds to listed, net worth is less than 500 crore, and unlisted companies equal to or more than 250 crore but less than 500 crore. They can start their acceptance of the Indus AS on or after 1st April 2019. Now bank include scheduled bank, commercial bank. If meet the specified criteria, mandatory from 1st April 2018. RRB is not included. Bank listing in the second schedules. Usually private, foreign, national bank operates in India, that it is applicable. Then bank guidelines, RBI guidelines issued in 16 February 2016. Apply Indus AS accounting standard from 1st April 2018 and comparative of the period ending 31st March 2018. Apply Indus AS given time, not earlier. Insurance. For insurance company Indus AS 104, it is similar to the IFRS 4 and it is applicable from 1st April 2018. It is mandatory. I hope you understood about this. So friends, we have discussed about the applicability of the Indus AS with conversion of the IFRS, how they converted IFRS and it is applicable in our country. It is not we cannot say that we accepted the IFRS, but we can say that it is a conversion of the Indus AS. So I hope you understood the basic things about the IFRS in our country. Okay, bye, thank you.